Hey there, how's it going? Today I'm unboxing iPhone SE 2020 edition. That is a clean box. It's a very clean box. Now, designed by Apple in California. Now, what do we have here? Product red. Bienvenue. Welcome to iPhone. Got your key there. All comes your portion. iPhone purchase of the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs. It's actually going to coronavirus now because the world is experiencing a pandemic. So Apple's doing their part to help. So you got your SIM tool here, stickers. Ooh, look at this. Very nice. Very nice. Got your charging brick here. AirPods. Oh no, sorry, not AirPods. EarPods. EarPods. Nicely wrapped charging cable. That's about it. That's it for this unboxing. Now, I'm looking forward to taking some time testing this phone and getting back to you with my full review. Until then, take it easy. Peace.